Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you double mushroom omelette. This is one of the most tastiest omelette I have prepared so far. I liked it so much, I prepared it again. So here you can see I'm prepping up the mushrooms for this recipe ahead of time. In my mushroom soup recipe also you've seen how I prep the mushrooms ahead of time. So I'm going to half cook the mushrooms for this recipe as well. If you buy mushrooms in bulk, this is the best way to prep them and reserve it in an airtight box. You can prepare many dishes using this mushroom. So for this recipe I am be using button mushrooms which is washed thoroughly. Then I allowed it to air dry on a towel and I sliced it. Once I have sliced it, in a wok I've added 2 teaspoons of oil. Then added all the mushrooms without adding water. I just covered it and cooked it on low flame. We need to constantly keep stirring it so that all that moisture from the mushroom has evaporated and there is some amount of moisture we can use in different recipes. Now here I've used this moisture for preparing soup. I just need a tiny amount of that moisture to prepare this omelette. We need that flavor and taste. So now let's prepare the double mushroom masala. Here I've heated a pan on medium flame. Now once the pan has heated well, you can add just butter or just oil, it's up to you. Or you can use a combination of butter and oil or ghee as well. Oil and ghee also gives a very good flavor and taste. I've just used oil. Once the oil has heated up well, I'll be adding chopped onions, bell pepper, tomato. We need to fry all the ingredients on low to medium flame. The heat is up to you. You can adjust and add the green chilies up to your heat preference. And also finely chop your coriander and add it while you're frying all the veggies. It gives a very good flavor and taste in the omelette. Now I'll fry all the ingredients till the onion has softened and the tomato has softened. Because nowadays tomato takes a lot of time to cook. I don't know for what reason. Onion also takes longer period to cook. Once the onion and tomato has softened a bit, I've added ginger and garlic paste. We'll add salt as per taste. Now we'll also add spice powders, turmeric powder, chili powder, tiny amount of chicken masala. We'll start frying all the ingredients till the onion softens a bit and all the masalas cook down and there is no raw flavor. So keep stirring and fry all the ingredients. You can also add water at this point and cook your veggies till it's softened. After 2 minutes, this is my secret ingredient. I'm going to add milk with the cream. So when we boil the milk, there is a cream, that is malai. I'll add that malai along with the milk. And we'll stir and cook the veggies so that it has that very nice and creamy taste. So at this point, your veggies will become softened and it will have that good rich taste. We'll add the mushrooms. You can add how much ever mushrooms at this point you want because this is going to be double mushroom omelette. So I'll cook the mushrooms along with the masala for 2 to 3 minutes. You can cover it and allow it to cook or you can cook it just like that. Just check for salt and add salt if needed. Also simultaneously whisk your eggs along with some salt and pepper and reserve that as well because once we add the whisked eggs to the masala, it will be easy for us to cook it down. So here you can see I'm spreading the other half of the masala in that same pan. Now we'll add the whisked eggs and we will evenly spread it on the masala. Once I have spread it evenly, I'll allow it to cook. We'll cover it and allow the eggs to cook. So I'm spreading that masala evenly all over in that omelette. Prepare it this way. It's very nice and tasty. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. The same recipes are translated and posted on YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I added tiny amount of oil to cook the omelette. Once it's cooked to one side, I'll gently flip it to the other side. We'll cook the omelette for another 2 minutes on the other side and transfer it onto a serving plate. The omelette turned out so good. Now I'm going to top it with the other half of the mushrooms that I reserved earlier, and we will garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. You can also subscribe to my Tamil channel for regular updates. This omelette can be shared among 2 people. It's a wonderful meal on its own. You can pair it with some toast or you can eat it as it is. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.